Hello, Electric Boy. This is Dead Rising 50, Echelon Code. Now, I saw your video on your channel about Black Ops 2 map might come through, but let's start with what Echelon means, right? And what the numbers mean, too. Well, we can start with the obvious. There are 26 numbers ranging from 0 to 25. Each number stands for a letter. A equals 1, B equals 1, and C equals 2, etc. Now, not the now the not so obvious. There is no pattern to the numbers. This means that even if we decode the numbers into letters, it's not going to give us the original message. In the English language, some letters are more frequently than others. Even in a word scramble or direct substitution, this is not true with the numbers, which means there must be some additional encryption device used. As can be seen in the introductory video, there is a book partially covered on the desk of a woman giving the broadcast. The book is JFK's Profiles of Courage. Being a history buff, I remembered that the Soviets were notorious for using the encryption method known as one-time pad, where each message is encrypted using a different cipher, and with each message having a mark with which cipher to use. After a lot of trial and error, I discovered that the first number in the broadcast is the reference to the cipher being used. Here's a broadcast for Revelation Mission. Echelon 324 20 12 19 17 17 22 19 23 19 4 0 7 6 7 19 10 12 16 17 6 14 4 3 17 24 20 13 24 8 16 17 1 24 9 21 15 0 5 15 4 4 23 6 11 25 14 4 20 4, 9, 14, 18, 12, 8, 7, 21, 6, 4, 21, 7, 21, 4, 2, 4, 3, 14, 7, 18, 13, 6, 22, 16, 6, 1, 21, 15, 3, 5, 24, 9, 11, 2, 10, 5, 21, 4, 20, 11, 19, 12, 5, 12, 13, 12, 5, 17, 19, 13, 14, 7, 21, 12, 15, 17, 7, 7, 2, 2, 21, 1, 10, 22, 13, 5. God. Profiles and Courage, page 3. Walter Lippmann, after nearly a half a century of careful observations, rendered his recent book a harsh judgment both on the politicians. First number in the page on which begins the translation. First letter of the cipher would be W. Yes, the third yeah, the first letter would be W. Would be number 22 in the alphabet using our number letter trans number to letter translation. Subtract the number from the first number of the code, 24, and you get the number 2, which would be C. We'll be using modular subtraction, which means once you get below 0, you just loop back to 25 again. Don't go negative. Doing that for every letter until you get to the end of the code results in the following. Human allies authorized construction permit broadcast station Boca, Gulf of Mexico. Project Nova initiated. And wait instructions. Email from Weaver to Hudson secret computer on using secret computer on the screen. Three fragments are given. Three code fragments are given. Weaver says they were sent to the Pentagon sleeper cells. I decoded the first message using the method I discovered last time. First number page is JFK's Profiles in Courage. When I was decrypting, I saw the word Pentagon forming and had to fiddle with the key until I found whoever created the broadcast made the typo in the key. The results are as follows. Echelon 2, 1, 12, 24, 4, 8, 20, 1, 5, 2, 18, 16, 6, 21, 14, 21, 19, 21, 9, 1. Page 2, profile search. Millions of M readers, not so many. The extra M is the typo that was used in translation. Pentagon 1 Prospero. I replayed Mission 3 where Hudson, the Secretary of State, Mac Nair, takes Mason to the belly of the Pentagon. Prospero is the first clearance key, first of the three clearance key that codes that McNamara uses to gain the access to the president's inner sanctum. The other two were Ariel and Sycorax. Knowing that, I assumed that the translations of the next two broadcasts would have to be about Pentagon 2 Ariel and Pentagon 3 Sycorax. So knowing that the original message broadcast numbers, try to find out what the key would have meant by to spin to unlock them, rather than the page numbers they should have been on, 9 and 8 respectively. They ended up being on totally different pages. The good news is that these numbers go in order in the book. That is, Echelon 9 comes after Echelon 8, in the book, which comes after Echelon 3, somehow, some way, etc. The other good thing is that all these different frequencies are always the first words on Echelon 9, 8, 11, 7, 1, 17, 7, 18, 24, 1, 0, 19, 18, 5, 1, 11, 50. Page 19, beliefs. Other translation. Pentagon 2 area. Second Echelon 8, 16, 21, 14, 17, 15, 15, 22, 11, 8, 18, 5, 5, 12. Page 17, Today the challenge of the challenge of the political. Translation. Pentagon 3, Sycorax, third clearance. Interesting sight. Ariel, Sycorax, and Prospero, the three characters from Shakespeare's play. The time I got 7 minutes and 24 seconds. I am going to stop this video, and we're going to continue with part 2. This is Dead Rising 50, and we'll see you in the next video.